Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to be talking about that how can you build a free website based on wordpress.org, and you can also get a free domain and web hosting. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go to atsnx.com and then you have to come here to this register now button. Okay, you have to just click this and you'll be taken to the register page. And here we go. You can see that you have to sign up. I have to enter my domain name, then I have to enter my password, and then I have to enter my email address and then the captcha. So the domain name that I will be entering would be my or tech worlds. Okay, so basically I'm creating a basic website for techworlds.atsnx.com, and here I'm going to enter the password, which will be my cpanel or my control panel password, where I can manage this whole website. So then I have to enter my email address, and then here I have to enter my password. That is going to be the captcha 75A8F. So it should match this one. And now I have to hit sign up. So let's wait to see. You can see that an activation email has now been sent to this email address. Please click the activation link in the email to activate this account. Now let me activate my account, and I have to go to my email address. That is going to be Outlook. Let's come here to other folder. Let's see if we've got the email. So I can see my email here. Let's come here to the junk email, and here we go. You can see that atsnx.com activation is coming here for techfolds.com. So if you don't get any of the email in your inbox, then make sure to go to junk and open the email for the activation. And now here I have to open this up to activate my account. And here we go. You can see that my account is being activated. And let me close all my tabs here. I'm just creating a mess. So basically, guys, I want to say one more thing, is that I am a best-selling teacher on Udemy. And if you find any of my course to be good for you, then make sure to enter the coupon code ATSBEYT. You can get all of my courses here on udemy.com/user/Tanzila Rahman3. And here you can see that I have these courses here. You can open any of the course. You can then enter the password, then enter the coupon code, and the coupon code is ATSBEYT. This will be given in the description down below, so you can go and check them out. So now let's come back here and let's open our website. This is our website, and let's see how this looks. You can see, congratulations, your account has been activated. Log into the cPanel to make some edits. I have to log into cPanel now. And how will I log in is that here you can see that I have control panel URL, which is the cpanel.atsnx.com. I have to open this in a new tab. And here we go. You can see that this is my cPanel, cpanel.atsnx.com. I have to copy my username, and then I have to paste it. And here I have to enter the password. So I'm going to be entering the password. One more thing is that if you forget your password, then make sure to go back to your email address, and there will be your account details emailed to you, including your password as well. So if you go here, then you go to junk email, you can see that hosting activation in your this email, you will be having all the credentials that your login credentials have. So now I have to just hit login, and I'll be logged into my cPanel. And this is basically my website URL. If I just visit this is how my website is going to look. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here in this cPanel is that I can manage everything. I can create my email accounts. I can do anything. I can install anything. I can install WordPress. I can go FTP or do anything. So in this video, we're gonna be just installing WordPress and creating a WordPress based website. Okay, I have to just go to Softaculous Apps Installer in the software tab, and I have to hit this. It's gonna take me to a new page, and where I have to enter my details. I'm gonna hit install. It will take me to a new page, and it says choose protocol. So I'll be choosing HTTP. Don't go with HTTPS unless you have an SSL certificate. So just choose HTTP. And then here we have our domain. Our domain name should be this one only. And then in the directory, make sure that you choose the root directory, so that if someone will visit this page, he'll see the WordPress. He'll see the WordPress website. If he just choose WP, he has to visit like this, /WP. But we don't want our users to enter this. So we want to install WordPress in a local or a root directory. Okay. I'm going to remove this. Let's come down, and here we have the site name. I'm going to be entering the site name, and my site name is going to be Techno World, okay? And here I have to enter the best, the leading techno company. Okay, so I'm creating a business website, and that name is TechnoWorlds. Okay, and now I have to enter my username. That is going to be my WordPress username, not the cPanel. cPanel username credential is this, and password is that when we created our account. Here we have to enter the password for our WordPress. Okay, so I'm gonna basically hide this, and now here I'm gonna have to enter the password. Okay, here should be my admin email. We can create some email accounts from our cPanel. I'll show you how this is in my next YouTube channel video. You can just open my channel and search for how to create an email account in your cPanel. Okay, now we have the site language. This is English, and then we have to go down and we have to hit install. So it's gonna install this, our website, and now let's see how does our website look. So here we can see that it is checking the submitted data. And let's wait till it reaches 100%. And here we go. You can see that we have WordPress has been successfully installed. If I just open this up in new tab, I have to refresh this. Then you can see that this is how my website, WordPress based website, is looking. And now I have to log in. So how will I log in is that I have to just add a slash here, and then I have to add WP, and then dash, and then admin. Okay, ADMIN. And now I have to hit enter, and it's going to take me to the login page. Here I have to enter the login, which will be my username would be this, and the password is going to be the one that we entered here. So I have to enter the password now, and now I have to hit login, and it's going to log me into my dashboard. So here we go. You can see that this is how our website is looking. And now let me just close all these tabs. And here we go. This is how our website is looking. I can open this in a new tab, and this is a theme as well. So basically, we are going to just go with a theme right now, and then we're going to create some pages, and then we're going to create some posts as well. So let's go to appearance, and then go to themes, and then here we're going to select a theme that we think that our website should be having. So let's see which theme we should go with. Let's go to popular theme. Let's install any of a popular theme, I think. So you can choose any of the theme from here. I am going to choose this OnePress. Okay. I think it is good. Yeah, it should be. So let's hit install, and let's wait for it to be installed. And after it is installed, we'll work on it. Okay, so here now I have to hit activate to activate this theme, and after the activation I'm going to view my website. So here you can see that it says save time by import our demo data. Your website will be set up and ready to customize in minutes. So why not just import the demo data? And here you will need to install and activate the Fame Themes Demo Importer plugin first. Okay, let's install it. It's gonna install this. Let's wait. Here we go. You can see that it is installed. I have to just hit activate. And here we go. It says, welcome to Fame Themes Demo Importer. I have to just hit start import, and it's gonna import everything. Install recommended plugins. So let's hit import now. It is going to install everything, import users, import categories, and do everything. So let's wait for it to do everything, and then I'll be back when it is done. Okay, so guys, now you can see that we are finally done with this and everything has been imported. I'm going to say one thing is that it's going to take a lot of time here to import post and media. Okay, so now you can see that here I am and this is done totally. So I'm gonna say one thing is that it is gonna take some time, and if it gets stuck here, then make sure to just reload the page. It's gonna tell you to reload it. After reloading this, you have to just import it again, and then you have to wait some time, like 10 minutes. Okay, and after the 10 minutes it should be done, and it will be done. Okay, so now I have to just hit this all done view my site. I have to hit this and it's going to take me to my website now. So this is how my website is looking. And here we go. You can see we are one page, we are OnePress, Mobi Terms, our services get started. So if I go down, here I have the features, here I have About Us, and then I have the Our Services tab. Then I have this video which is coming. And then I have this gallery and I have everything. Then I have some fun facts about our agency. Then I have our team. This section isn't coming, I don't know why. And then I have the latest section, which is latest news. And then I have get in touch. Okay. And the footer is coming here, which is join our newsletter and keep updated. And then I have the copyright. So we're going to edit this in this whole video. So let's get started. First of all, what we have to do is that we have to change the logo. Let's come here from this, and then we have to create a menu. We have to go here to header, and then we have to change these. So let's hit this customize, and we will be taken to the customize page. And then here we have the site title and tagline and logo. So I have to change the logo. What I will be doing, I'll be creating a logo for myself. I'm gonna go to new, and that is going to be 150 pixels with the 100 pixels height. So this is no, I think this is not good. I have to go for 200 pixels. And this should be 138 pixels. Well, let's just decrease it a little bit so that it should be exactly the same. Yeah, I think it is good. Now I have to just add a text here. And the text that I'm going to be adding would be techno walls. So let me just increase the size. Okay. And here I am going to just change the color to be red, and this is going to be blue. The size of this should be small, a bit, and this should be small as well. I might have to choose this to be blue. And this should be small. Yes. Now what we want, we need to select everything and we need to tint it a bit. Let's go to arc. Let's bend it this way. Horizontal distraction. Yes. I'm just here's the bold one. Okay, now we're done. I'm going to select this. I'm going to remove the background, and I'm gonna be just increasing the size a bit. Yes, and I'm gonna hit save. Let's save this to PNG as a PNG file, and then the name should be TechnoWalls logo. TechnoWalls logo. That PNG. And now I have to hit OK. Let's come here. Let's come here to change logo, and we have to select file. So I have to just select this, and here should be my logo. This is the logo. I have to upload it. Let's wait for it to upload, and here we go. I have to just select it now, and now I have to crop it, and it has been cropped. Now this is how our logo is coming, And then we have the site title. This is site the Techno Worlds, and the tagline is the leading techno company. Now we have to just select the site icon. I'll be choosing this site icon. I have to select this, and I'll be choosing this D. So you can see that this is basically the icon. I have to just hit crop image, and it's gonna be cropped. Now here we go. You can see that this is how our site icon is. I have to just hit save and publish. I have to go back, and now I have to go to theme options. And here we have the global, site colors, header, social profiles, newsletter, and these stuff. So we'll be going with step by step from here, and then we're going to edit this. Okay, let's come here to theme options. Here we have the global. We have the site layout. I'll show you then how this will work. Is that right sidebar? If this I open anything, like if I just open technoworlds.adsnx.com, okay, and then I open any of the post from this, if I go to pages, all pages, okay, and I go to the our history page, then you can see that here we have a sidebar here, you can see. So this is how it will work, is that if I just choose this to be left sidebar and then I hit save and publish, there will be the sidebar changed to left. This is how it works, okay? And so I'll be choosing right sidebar, and then I'm gonna hit save and publish. Then we have the disable sticky header. Check this to disable sticky header and scroll. If you can see that if I go down, you can see that sticky header is already here. If I just disable it and then I scroll, you will see that it will be gone. There is no header which is coming. Okay, so I would not recommend you to disable this, because if it is enabled, then it looks a bit better. Okay, and then we have disable animation effect. Do not disable any of the animation effect. Hide footer back to top. If we go down, then you will see that this is the footer back to top. If I just click this, it's gonna take me to the top. If you want to hide this, you can just select this and it's gonna be hidden. Okay, let's go back. Then we have the site colors. Here we have the primary color. Since we have our primary color set to blue, this is blue, and then this is blue. Then we have the footer background. Let's come here to footer background, and we have our footer background set to the black one. Okay, we can choose green, blue, or anything. We can choose it pink, red, or black. Let's just leave it black, or we can choose the blue one. I think because it looks well. Let's go with the black one. And then we have the footer info background, so we can change this to be this as well, if you want to. I'll be going with the default one because that was looking much better. And then we have to hit save and publish. Let's go back. Let's come here to the header, and then in the header we have our background color, we have our site title color, we have our menu link color. So this is basically the header. Okay, we can change the background color. I'll be going with the default one because I think default one is a bit better. Then we have the site title color. Since we don't have any of the site title, we have uploaded a logo, so we cannot change this. Then we have the menu link color. Here we will set a menu, and after that we can work with the menu link color, menu link hover. If someone will bring his mouse to the menu, it will this color will appear. And then we have the menu link hover, active background color, or responsive menu button color. Then we have the center vertical align for menu. We can just check this, and it's going to be center vertical align for menu. Then we have the header should be transparent. This is also great. Okay, you can see this is how it will work. I think it looks a bit better, or it looks sexy. So then we have the scroll to top when click to site the logo or site title only apply on a front page. How this will work is that if I just select this and then I go down and then I just hit this, it's gonna take me to the top page. So this is how it's gonna work. Okay, if you want it. I'll select this because I think it is good. Now I have to just hit save and publish. Let's go back, and then we have the social profiles. Here you can add the social profiles. If I just hit add an item, I have to just select social network, and that is going to be Facebook. Now I have to select the Facebook icon. Select this one, and then URL. So here you have to enter the Facebook page URL. Okay, I'll be entering only hash. Then I can add another item, and that can be Instagram. And then here we have to enter the icon that is going to be Instagram, and here should be the URL. So let's hit save and publish. Let's go back, and then we have the newsletter. Here you can enter the join our newsletter, and then here you have to enter the Mailchimp action URL. You have to create an account on Mailchimp, and then here you have to enter the action URL where your subscribers will go when they'll enter their email address. Okay. Let's go back, and then here we have the single post. So how this will work is that if I just go to dashboard, and then I go to post, all posts, and here you will see that here I have these posts which are coming. If I just view this post, okay, then here we have this post, okay, and we're going to edit this. Check this box to show single post meta, such as post date, author, or category. Post date, author, category. If I just uncheck this, and then I save and publish, I just refresh this, it's gonna be gone. Okay, so this is not coming. So make sure to check this because it looks pretty well. And then I have the show single post thumbnail. So if I just select this and then I save and publish, here will be the single post thumbnail which will be coming. Okay, so this is how it is working. Make sure to check that as well. Basically, I have just done my breakfast, so burps are just coming. So I don't know why. So sorry for that. Now let's go back, and let's go back again. And here we have the menus finally. Okay, then we have the menu locations. I have to select the primary menu to be primary, and this is my primary menu. I have to just select primary from here, and then I have to add items. I have to enter the home page to be my home page. I have to enter the gallery page, my account page, checkout page. Okay, so now I have to hit save and publish, and here should be my menu coming. Okay, I have to just display location to be primary. Okay, I have to select this, and then I have to just hit save and publish. Okay, and now what we're going to do, we're going to view our website. How does it look? You can see that this is how our website is looking, and we have techno walls. We have our home page. If I just hit this, we'll be taken to the home page. If I select gallery, we'll be taken to the gallery page. If I select my account page, here I am in the my account page, and if I go to checkout, here I am in the checkout page. So this is how it works. Okay, and now basically what I have to do, I have to go back. I have to go back now. I have to go to widgets. Here we can mess with the widgets. You have one theme widget area, but this particular page doesn't pitch. You can navigate to other pages on your site while using the customize your page to view and edit the widgets displayed. Okay, so what is it saying is that if I just go to this area where there is the widget, this is called basically the widget, and then I hit customize, and then here will be my widgets which will be coming here. So I have to just go to widgets, and here we go. You can see that this is the widget which is coming here. I have search on top. I have recent post. I have recent comments, and then I have archives and categories. So I'll leave the search. I'll leave the recent post, but I'll delete the recent comments. I'll delete the archives, and then I have to delete the categories, and then I have to delete the meta. So here should be only recent post, and then here should be only this one. So display post date should also be here, so that it should be coming with a date. Sorry. Okay, now I have to just hit save and publish. Let's go back, and let's come here. Basically, let's come here to back, and then here we have the static front page. Here we can see that our home page is set to be static front page, and our post page is a news page that has the, what is this basically is that if I just come here to the dashboard, and then I go to all pages, then you can see I have a page that is home page that is set to be my front page, and then I have a page that is post page, and that is set to be my news page. So if I just view this, here you have here I have every post or blog post are coming here. So this is basically amazing, I think. Okay, Um, Now basically these pages are defaultly created by WordPress when we installed this theme, and then we installed the demo data. That's why it has created. Now we can edit everything, and it is really much easy for us. Okay, then we have the section order and styling. So this is in the plus. We can buy the plus version to work with it. Sorry. Then we have section hero. Then we have the hero settings. Section ID is hero, padding is 10, and the padding bottom is this. Then we have the animation speed, slider speed, and everything which is coming. And then we have the background media. So this is an item. This is our background media, and this is also another item. So this is the other slider media that is coming. Okay. We can even enable the parallax effect. How this will work is that if I just go down, you can see that how the image is moving. So I'm gonna just uncheck this. I'm gonna go back, and then we have the hero content layout basically. Now here we have we are responsive, we are fun page, we are perfection. So I can just add things here. Okay, so this is the rotating stuff, that how this will change. So here we have VR Techno World. We are amazing. We are sexy. We are awesome. Okay, and here we have the small text. This is the small text basically. I'm gonna select this and I'm gonna edit this. Techno World is the best online technology company that deals in a bulk quantity of used and new laptops. Sorry. And now I have to just hit cross. So now I have to just the button one text is about us. The button one link is this one, hash about. So it's gonna take me to about. Okay, I'm gonna take it to change this to our services, and it should be services. Or what is this? Features basically. Hashtag FEATURES. The button one is primary button. I can select it to be secondary. I can select it to be success. It's gonna change its color. You can see. So I can change it to be info. It's gonna change it to blue then. I can change it to be warning. It's gonna change to red. Or I can change it to danger. It's gonna change to red now. So this is how it works. Then I have the get started, or I can change this to be contact us, or get a quote. So now this button is info. Now I have to just hit save and publish. I think this Techno Worlds is a bit we are techno. So now I think it should be perfect. We are techno. Okay. Now I have to go back. Now I have to go back here, and then I have to go to the features. So these are the features which are coming. Here we have the section settings. The settings ID is features. How this will work is that we have set this to be our services. If I just come here, it's going to take us to the features. If I change this, it will not work. Okay, so make sure to leave this ID as it is. And then here we have the section title, and then this is going to be features, or we can change this to be our services. Subtitle would be we are offering, or we are awesome. Okay, and then I have the section description. I can add any of the section description here, and okay, so it's gonna come here. Basically, it doesn't look good. Now let's remove this. Let's come here to the columns. Here we have the 4 columns. We can select how many columns we want to show here, basically. So if I just select 3 columns, here will be 3 columns, which will be coming, and the next one will go down. So we can select 2 columns, and it's gonna work like 2 columns. Okay. So I'll be choosing the 4 columns because I think 4 columns looks great. I have to just hit save and publish. I have to come here, and then I have the section content. Here I have 4 sections which are coming. So the first one is going to be cash on delivery. The icon that I'm gonna be choosing here would be cash. No. So van, car, okay, and then I have to just add the description here. So I can add any of the description. We offer cash on delivery. Okay, and then I have to just hit cross. I have to just select this one now. I have to come here. I have to just select parallax effect, and I'm gonna change this to be 24/7 support. 24/7 support. I'm gonna change this to be support headphones. Yes. And then here I have to add the any line. So let's leave it as it is. Let's come here now to WooCommerce. I can add anything here. So I'll be adding free shipping. Free shipping, and this is going to be this one. Let's come here down, and then I have this one, and this should be responsive. Responsive, I think, yeah, we'll leave it as it is. Responsive. So you can add your services here, that how many services you want that you offer. You offer cash on delivery, you offer services 24/7 support, free shipping, and then the responsive. So you can add the content here. And now let's go down. Let's save and publish. Let's edit this section. So if you just click this pencil, here it is coming, and then I have the our history. This is coming, and then I have our vision, which is coming. So it's gonna show the full page content. Okay, page excerpt. Let's select this. And so basically how this will work is that you can see that about us section is coming here. We provide these, and then here are 2 images which are coming. So how this will work is that you can see that in the pages section, if I just come here to TechnoWorld's dashboard or technoworlds.adsnx.com/wp-admin, then here in the pages, all pages section, here I have I should be having this our vision, our history. So these 2 pages has been created from this. So I can change the name of them so that if I want to just change this to be like our history to be our story, then here should be our story, which would be coming. Okay, I have to just hit save and publish. And if I just basically view my page, you can see that the page title is coming. And how we can edit this image is that basically if I just go to edit, and then here we can see that here in the featured image, this image is set. So if I want to choose any other image, I can just choose from here. So if I just want to choose this, I'll select set featured image, I'll select update, and let's update this. Let's refresh this, basically our home page. So this is how you can see that this image is coming now here. Then I have the our vision. Same like that, we can change the our vision page if you want to. Okay, so now let's come here and let's go back. This is our about us page. We can just now in the section setting, we can change the section description here. So if I want to just change this, I can change this. Then I have the section subtitle, which is this, and about us is about us. Let's go back. And then here we have the services. Okay, so these are the services here. So we can, same like that, we can just change the section content, we can change them, we can change the word, we can add the title, we can link to it to a single page if you want to. Like if I want to link it to a single page, I'll just select this. And then I have to select the page that I want to link it. So if someone will click this service title number 1, he'll be taken to the our history page. Okay, this is how it will work. Let me just uncheck this because I don't want to show or I don't want to link it to a page. Let's hit save and publish, and let's hit basically refresh. So let's come here. We were on services, and then we have the video lightbox. Okay, this is the one. I'm gonna just come here. I'm gonna just I basically want to hide this section, so I'll hide this completely. And then here I have to go back here, services, section, content, or story. No, I have to just select the page. Okay. Remove this. And let's come here. Then we have the lightbox. I don't want to show any lightbox here. I don't want to show any gallery here. So I'll just come here. I'll hide this section. You can even show gallery of your portfolio or the items that you have shipped or something like that if you want to. Then we have the latest news, which is the blog section. You can post something and that will come here. Then here we have to read our blog post. It will take us to the news page. Okay, let's go back. And then here we have the counter. So in the section title, I'll be adding anything. Counter, some fun facts about our agency. Let's go back. Let's come to section content, projects completed, or projects delivered, or laptops delivered. Okay, so basically it's a laptop delivering company. So 368 or 36895 laptops has been delivered. And then I have to hit positive feedback. Positive feedback is 1212. 1299, and then I have pizza's order. We don't order pizza, so I'll be just leave it as it is. So you can work with them. And then we have average cost per hour. So leave that as it is. Okay, now let's hit save and publish. And if I just going to refresh this here, you will see that how this will work. So because of this, if I just hide this, I think this is also being hidden. I think this is a problem about this theme, just because it should not be working like this. I think when you will be applying this video here, then this theme will work on it. So just don't hide this, basically. Leave the gallery as it is. Here we have, then we have our theme section. Here we can add an item. Here we have this item user media. And here I have this one, and then this one, and then this one. Okay, let's go back. So then we have to news. This is gonna show the recent news here. And then we have the last thing, which is section contact. Here we can go to section contact, and then here we have the section description. Here we can add to section content. In here we have to just create a contact form 7. Let me show you. Let's come here to dashboard, and then here let's come here to CF7. Here should be CF7. There we go. After going to plugins and then install plugins, I have here contact form 7. I have to just go to select, and here we go. You can see one configuration error detected. I have to just come here to edit, and then here I have to come here to mail, and there is a possible empty field. Subject. Let me come here and in the subject I have to just select add a star here so that it is required. Okay, now let's come here. Sender email address does not belong to the site domain. To admin@themethemes.com. No, it should be admin. It should be sent to my email address. Okay, and then sender email should be, let me just come here. And it should be your email. So it should be coming from the sender email address. Okay, and then I have the subject, then I have the additional header, and I have this from your name or message body. Okay, so I have to now just come here and then I have to hit save. So what this will work is that if anyone just enter his information here, what it's gonna do, it's gonna send the email to my email address, and then it's from his email address, the from name, and his name will also come. So this is how the contact form will work. Okay, sorry. Okay, now I have to just here in the contact, here we have the contact text, and then here we have the address. This one address is coming here, and then we have the phone number here, so I'll be adding the phone number here as well, and then I have to enter the email. So it's going to be admin at technowalls.adsnx.com, and then here I have to enter the fax. So I don't have any fax, I'll leave it. Let's come here to save and publish, and let's go back, and here we are done totally. So now let's come here and let's view our website. How does it look? Okay, this is how our website is looking. We are Techno World is the best online technology company that deals in a bulk quantity of used and new laptops. Our services are coming here. We go down, we have our about us, our story, our vision. We have our services which are also coming. I don't know, I have to just use our features, but I just use the services here. So then we have our services here as well. So make sure that you guys work with this. I just wanted to show you guys that how we can edit this theme, which is OnePress theme. Okay, and then we have the gallery section. Here we can view the pictures. If I just view this is how it's gonna work. Then we have some fun facts about our agency, 20% feedback. Okay, it's so amazing, I think. And then we have the pizzas order and average cost per hour. And then we have the our team section. We have latest news section, and then we have the get in touch section as well. So if anyone just enter his name, his email address, his subject, and his message, hello, then it's going to be sent. Failed to send, please try later or contact the administrator by another method. So I don't know, there is a problem with this host. This host doesn't allow to send emails. I think this is why it is giving the problem. So now you can see that we are totally done with our website, and this is how our website looks. If you want to delete any page, you have to just go to dashboard, then you have to go to all pages, and then you can delete any page. If you want to change the menu, you can go to appearance and then menus, and then here you can change the menu. So if I want to change my menu of the primary menu, I'll select this, and then I want to remove this one, my account and checkout. I'll just check that out. I'll just save the menu. If I want to create a new page, so I'll just go to all pages. I'll just come here to add new, and then here I'll write about us. And here I have to enter the content that is going to be blah blah. So I can shift to visual, and then here I can move on. I can even create a heading, and then I can add heading here, add the content here. I can even add a link here like this. Okay, so I can do anything. I can even add a bulleted list. I can even add an ordered list. or I can change the alignment. I can even shift to this one, the more functionalities here by clicking this button. I can stripe through, I can change color, and I can do anything. So thanks a lot guys for watching this whole video. I think that you guys liked this course, and you guys now already know that how can you create a basic website on WordPress, and this is for free. So I think this was a great video. So please give a thumbs up if you think that this video tutorial was good, and also subscribe to my channel so that if any new video comes up, you get an email. Thank you and goodbye.